Hello, I'm Zach. We're going to have more fun with Biscuit. Haley couldn't be here today because I couldn't find any other dumbass retards. So, we'll have to play with just me. First off, Biscuit will try to chase a ball. Biscuit. Retard. Okay, now let's cut to the chase. He does this every day. Little dog just bit me in the foot. Okay, and we're gonna have to leave you right now. I am Zach. This is Biscuit. And we had some fun.